Today's video is for all of you who are not video editors. You might be a principal or a pastor or another community leader. Maybe you're even just a volunteer or administrator. It's part of an organization that you have nobody to edit the videos, and so you said, hey, I'll learn how to do it. Well, that's okay that you're not a video editor, and you don't have to learn all of those crazy, expensive, complicated tools like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro X or DaVinci Resolve, because I'm going to introduce you today to your new best friend, and it's a tool called Descript. With Descript, you can edit your video like a Word document, cutting out the words you don't want, and it edits together the video for you. Now, it's got a bunch of other AI tools that are packed in there that'll help you make your life a little easier so you don't have to be a video editor. You can embrace your non-video editor self. Now, let's say you have a presentation or a sermon or something like that, and you want to cut out little parts that were impactful and share those on social media without sharing the whole 1 hour presentation. So I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of exactly how to do that, and you'll see how impactful this tool can be for your organization. So here we are. I have Descript open. I'm going to start a new project. I'm going to do new video project. I'm going to call this non-video editor's best friend. I'm going to add a file. I'm going to add this file, kids camp that we did. It's actually my wife. She had the message that she presented one morning. So it's going to take this video, process it so that you can see a transcription of the video right in front of you. I'm going to add a speaker name. 71% transcribed already. It's about a 5, almost 6 minute clip. All right, and there we are. We have the transcription of this whole video right here in text. I'm very impressed. I can read through here. I can just glance through it. If I remember a part that I want to take out, I can look for it. I can search for it, or I can just go through and say, how about this? I heard Danny this week. Let's listen to it. You can go to any word and listen to it without having to scrub through it.
Talking to his boys about how to pray. And what did y'all say it was? It's just talking to God.
Boom. I want that section. I want to highlight it and say, that's what I want. Highlight in yellow. I want all throughout the day. Boom. I'm going to highlight that just to mark it. Like that. Let's just say those are the parts I want. Now I can get rid of all the other parts. I want to cut that into a single video. I'm just going to delete all the other stuff except for that highlighted portion. And it is going to cut it together for me. I don't have to scrub through the video. This is fantastic. This is actually my first time even doing this. Now, let's see our video. I just cut a quick snippet real fast.
I heard Danny this week talking to his boys about how to pray. And what did y'all say?
Now, this is a jump cut because it's in different parts of the video, so that's okay. But listen, here's one thing I heard weird right here. She kind of trips up on her word a little bit.
I heard Danny this week talking to.
Or Danny, this I'm gonna get rid of. This and week. Let's see how it sounds together.
I heard Danny this week talking to his boys.
Not bad. Awesome. All right, so we've edited down the video what we want. Let's adjust the video. Let's say we want this a vertical video so it's ready for sharing. We can change the canvas to portrait. We can go here and fill canvas, so now it's a full screen vertical video.
Talking to his boys about.
Awesome. Let's check out the audio. This should make it sound more like it's in the studio. Or if you record with your phone, turn on the studio sound, and it makes it sound like you recorded it directly into a microphone. Let's see.
I heard Danny this week talking to his boys about how to pray.
Wow, that's
And what
impressive.
did y'all say it was?
Let's add captions.
I heard Danny this week talking to his boys.
Now, I want to make these captions look awesome. Style. Karaoke style. How about that? Here's what we got.
I heard Danny this week talking to his boys about how to pray.
Fantastic. So now I'm ready to export this puppy. File, export. Comes up with my export settings. I'm just gonna export the video. Here it is, the exported version.
I heard Danny this week talking
Look
to
at
his boys about how to pray.
So easy.
And what did y'all say
Yes. That is so cool. Well, it really is that easy. I might never use a regular video editor again. We'll see. In fact, actually, I filmed this video much like you might film a video, so I just used my iPhone and I use Descript to edit what you're seeing right now. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you can watch more helpful videos on this channel later. That is awesome. I love this thing.
Woo-hoo! Whoop, 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 whoop.